Welcome to the virtual reality training module of vial washing machine and vial sterilization and deperogenation tunnel, that is sterile tunnel. For injectable dosage forms, the drugs are often supplied in glass vials. Glass vials may be contaminated by particles such as rubber, fiber, or metal, as well as by bacteria, hence must be cleaned and serialized before filling. Let's start with the understanding of the whole process with a walkthrough. Follow the arrows to reach highlighted position. At first, the vials are loaded on transporting belt, which is connected to the rotary table of the unit. The synchronized in-feed screw transfers in times the bottles centering into the star wheel, which transports them to water nozzles. Follow the arrows to reach highlighted position. The vials are held in vial holders that are specially designed to accommodate vials with varying neck diameter and vial diameter. The vials are placed in an inverted position in these cup-shaped holders. Spraying showers does the external cleaning of the vials. The vial cleaning cycle starts with washing by water, that is raw water, DM water, and finally with water for injection, and each followed by drying using filtered compressed air. First, nozzles enter into the container during the washing cycle, ensure efficient cleaning, then same vial move to another set of nozzles with compressed air. Solenoid valves are provided to enable the regulation of wash timings and sequence of various washing media to suit a specific requirement. Reach the highlighted position by following the arrows to understand the working of sterile tunnel. The tunnel packs glass vials onto a stainless steel mesh belt and conveys the vials through an in-feed chamber, the sterilization chamber, and a cooling chamber. The in-feed chamber is fitted with a fan, which pulls conditioned air through a pre-filter and a HEPA filter. The air directed to the bottles is then aspirated symmetrically from beneath the belt and expelled as it is saturated with moisture. The sterilization chamber has a heating mechanism, commonly steam or electric resistance, through which air is passed and conveyed above the HEPA filters, after which it is directed to the bottles, thus bringing them to a high temperature in the range of 300 to 350 degrees Celsius. After entering the bottles, air is symmetrically aspirated out. The tunnel ensures that the air inside the hot chamber is constantly changed and kept under control. Note: sterilization system ensures that the pressure in the sterilization chamber is always greater than that in the adjacent chambers. The cooling chamber provides air with less temperature to cool down the vials at ambient temperature. Vials are subjected to significant thermal stress as they move from the sterilizing zone to the cooling zone, which may cause cracking or impulsion. The airflow is profiled in such a way that the glass temperature as it exits sterilizing zone would be transitioned in a linear way. Good. Now we have covered the walkthrough. Let's start with the operation of the sterile tunnel. Follow the arrows to reach highlighted position. Rotate the power knob in a clockwise direction to power up the tunnel. Follow the arrows to reach highlighted position. Now, reset the highlighted emergency stop button by twisting it in the clockwise direction. Go towards the pallet tablet by following the arrows and then pick a vial pallet from the table. Follow the arrows to reach highlighted position. Place the pallet on the highlighted position. Follow the arrows to reach highlighted position. First, open the RO water valve by moving the handle upwards. Now, open the DM water valve by rotating handle anti-clockwise. Open the water for injection valve by rotating handle anti-clockwise. Note: make sure the pressure of all the water streams are above. Good. Now, as per the process, we'll have to set and start the sterile tunnel before starting the vial washing machine. Note: As a good practice, the sterile tunnel should run for at least 5–10 minutes before starting the vial cleaning machine so that it reaches the required heating level and airflow pattern. Rotate the power knob in a clockwise direction to power up the tunnel. Now, reset the highlighted emergency stop button by twisting it in the clockwise direction. Set the temperature for 350 degrees Celsius using highlighted setup, up and down button. Note, temperature is the critical parameters for the sterile tunnel, and more or fewer values of temperature directly impact the sterilization and deperogenation activity on vials, hence product quality. Set the belt speed to 2 rpm using the speed regulator. Note, belt speed is a critical parameter for the sterile tunnel. High or less values of speed will directly impact the contact time between vials and air, heated and cool, hence impact the sterilization and deperogenation activity. Press the start button to start the sterile tunnel. Follow the arrow to reach highlighted position to start the vial washing machine. Start the vial washing machine and rotary table by pressing all the highlighted push buttons. Now, as the process has started, reach the highlighted position to observe the vial washing and cleaning procedure. Congratulations, you have completed this module.